Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical swimming pool pump, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from swimming pool pump, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best swimming pool pump from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AQUASTRONG Variable Speed Pool Pump, 2 horsepower, 220 volt, energy efficient, high flow, powerful self-priming. Introducing the AQUASTRONG Variable Speed Pool Pump, the ultimate solution for efficient and powerful pool circulation. With a 2 horsepower motor and a 220 volt energy-saving design, this high-performance pump offers up to 80% energy savings compared to traditional pumps, making it an eco-friendly choice for your pool. Its customizable speeds range from 1200 RPM to 4000 RPM, allowing precise control to suit pools of all sizes. The pump boasts a maximum flow rate of 176 gallons per minute and can lift up to 75 feet, ensuring optimal filtration. Its versatile design with 2 and 2.5-inch adapters easily fits both in-ground and above-ground pool systems. Plus, with up to 4 customizable time periods in a 24-hour cycle, it provides maximum energy efficiency. Backed by a 2-year warranty and exceptional after-smell support, the AQUASTRONG Variable Speed Pool Pump ensures long-term reliability and peace of mind for pool owners. Number 2. Hayward 1.5 Horsepower Flow Pool Pump. The Hayward 1.5 Horsepower Powerful Pool Pump is the perfect solution for above-ground pools, offering powerful and reliable performance. Built with a heavy-duty motor, it ensures efficient and quiet operation, keeping your pool water circulating consistently for optimal filtration. This pump's durable, corrosion-proof housing stands up to sun, rain, and changing temperatures, providing long-lasting reliability in all weather conditions. The extra-large debris basket with a clear cover reduces maintenance and keeps pool cleaning to a minimum. With an easy installation process and clear instructions, setting up this pump is a breeze. Designed to deliver 80 gallons per minute of flow, it offers strong water circulation, making it ideal for above-ground pool systems. Plus, the ultra-quiet motor allows for a peaceful poolside experience without disturbing your relaxation. For durability, power, and ease of use, the Hayward PowerFlow LX Pool Pump is the go-to choice for efficient pool maintenance. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 2 horsepower variable speed pool pump Inground with filter basket and easy programmable. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 2 horsepower variable speed pool pump, an energy-efficient and high-performance solution for your in-ground pool. This advanced pool pump features an ENERGY STAR certified variable speed motor, saving you up to 80% on energy costs across all phases of operation. With low-speed options for thorough filtration and permanent magnet technology, it ensures maximum efficiency while keeping your pool water clean and clear. The easy-to-use, programmable touchpad allows you to adjust speeds for optimal performance, and its exclusive self-diagnostic system helps maintain top-tier performance. Built to last, this pump has an enclosed unit that protects the motor year-round, ensuring quieter and cooler operation. The pump is designed for durability with a 5-year, 100% warranty for peace of mind. With a maximum flow rate of 82 gallons per minute and both 1.5-inch and 2-inch port size options included, the BLACK+DECKER 2 horsepower variable speed pool pump is the ideal choice for efficient and reliable pool maintenance. Number 4. Intex SX2000 800 Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump, 2800 GPH. Pump flow rate. Mind improved circulation and filtration. Introducing the Intex SX2000 800 Crystal Clear Sand Filter Pump, a game-changer for above-ground pool maintenance. With a powerful 2800 GPH pump flow rate, this filter pump ensures improved circulation and filtration, keeping your pool water crystal clear. Thanks to hydroaeration technology, it enhances water clarity and increases negative ions at the water's surface, providing healthier and more refreshing water. The Intex SX2000 800 is designed for ease of use. With a simple setup, just hook up the hoses and plug it in. It's ideal for pools up to 17,200 gallons and features a built-in 24-hour timer with adjustable 2 to 12-hour cycles for automatic, hassle-free operation. This pump operates at 46.6 gallons per minute and is engineered for durability, safety, and efficiency. Whether you're looking for better water quality or energy-efficient filtration, the Intex SX2800 sand filter pump is the perfect choice for your above-ground pool. Number 5. Oswerpon 2 horsepower powerful self-priming pool pumps above ground or in-ground dual voltage with strainer basket. Introducing the Oswerpon 2 horsepower powerful self-priming pool pump, designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools. This dual-voltage pump features a robust, corrosion-resistant thermoplastic body and a high-performance pure copper motor, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliable operation. With a maximum flow rate of 115 GPM and a powerful 3450 RPM speed, this pump delivers optimal water circulation to keep your pool clear and healthy. The advanced impeller design maximizes flow while minimizing noise, making it energy efficient and quiet. It's easy to install, featuring a user-friendly interface and all necessary accessories like connectors and adapters for a seamless setup. The pump's transparent strainer basket allows for easy inspection, and its oversized design ensures quick debris removal. The Oswerpon pool pump is UL certified for safety with built-in overheating and overload protection. It's perfect for saltwater or freshwater pools, spas, and hydrotherapy systems, ensuring reliable performance year-round. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.